Hi, I'm Terry Roth Schaff.
And I'm Karen Abramson. Terry and I have been teaching together for, 9 years now.
Almost 10, and it's been an incredibly joyful experience. We've taught at Kripalu for years all kinds of yoga therapy workshops on osteoporosis, arthritis, pinched nerves, and recently I asked Karen if she would teach with me at Kripalu a workshop on how to deal with neuropathy.
Neuropathy has affected so many in our community. Some of you have found it as a result, an unexpected result following chemotherapy. Some of it's just the effects of aging. But Terry and I have put together a program that combines her lifelong work in yoga therapy with my more recent interest in yoga and Tai Chi and Qigong. So we put the two together to give you a really varied program that's going to be a lot of fun.
And it also may help you function better. That's the idea. And that through these practices, you'll get better mobility back. We're going to focus on breathing and on alignment and relaxation at the same time as getting your muscles to work. Because one of the things that can happen with neuropathy, where your nerves are not conducting correctly, is your body becomes deconditioned. So you can't use your muscles correctly either. In this workshop, we're going to cover all these. We're going to play a lot, but we're also going to let you go home with specific practices that you can follow through on so that this workshop will have legs. You won't just come and it was, oh, I had a lot of fun, but what did we do?
So and what can I take home?
So our attitude is go home with something you can continue.
I hope you'll join us.